So how do you get more storage on the iPad for free? So you probably noticed that you can buy more storage inside of the settings and pay for more iCloud space. But if you don't want to do that, there are some options. Of course, you can check out some other third-party alternatives. For example, Google Drive, if you set it up for the first time, using your Google account, you have some storage free. Like I believe that it's like 15 gigabytes worth of storage, which you can use without actually paying, right? Obviously, you can upgrade for more, but you get the base storage for free. Same with Dropbox, like you can explore that platform as well. And there you also have some gigabytes for free. So this would make sense to explore those options. But if I'm being honest, personally, I still believe that having some sort of external drive to accompany my iPad makes a lot of sense because I like to use, of course, a lot of files and all of the things. So I just connect some SSD or even, the SD card, whatever type of external storage device. I can connect it through the USB-C port on my iPad and I just transfer the files which I want to, free up on my iPad to the external storage using the Files app. And it works well. Like I have the files stored securely inside of the, external drive, and it just works well. Obviously, you need to buy it, but once you do, it's just free to use, of course. So that's my approach. Let me know what you think below. Most definitely subscribe for the next tutorials and guides like this one. And I'm gonna catch you later in the next videos.